When your patience goes before your energy does. Whoop, that was weird. Let's try again. Take two. When your patience goes before your energy does, something deeper is going on. You ever have those days where your patience disappears long before your energy runs out? Where it's not physical tired, it's that internal edge that shows up for no obvious reason. Most people think it's mood, or age, or stress. But truthfully, it's usually your nervous system waving a quiet little flag saying, hey, something in here needs attention. If we haven't met yet, I'm Claudette Eames, and I help the mature age community rebuild calm and strength after life's heavy seasons. And today's topic is one I think a lot of people silently struggle with. That moment when your patience disappears before anything else. Because that reaction isn't random. It's a signal. And honestly, it's one most of us overlook until it gets really loud. I had a day not long ago where nothing was wrong on paper, but everything felt just sharper. My patience was thin, small things felt big, and I could feel myself reacting faster than I wanted to. And when I finally slowed down, it hit me. My energy wasn't the problem. My nervous system was overloaded. My body had been carrying more than I realized. Old stress, emotional load, all the I'll deal with it later moments we tuck away. Does that sound familiar? And then, of course, that short fuse. That was the whisper before the shout. Let's break this down. Because this is where things start to make sense. When patience goes first, it's a regulation signal, not a personality flaw. Your system is hitting its threshold before your energy does. This is the body saying, hey, we're out of capacity. A reactive mood is often a protective response. Your nervous system is trying to manage too much at once. So it shifts into alert mode. The same mode that drains your clarity and shortens your fuse. Support brings the fuse back. Inside out support, your gut brain tools, steady nutrients, sleep, gentle movement. The outside in support, community, calm, environments, emotional safety. When those two meet, patience lengthens. Just get more patience. Energy steadies. Now I like that. And you stop operating in that quiet survival mode you didn't even notice you were in. So if your patience has been disappearing faster lately, before your energy, before your day even starts, please hear me. You're not moody. Your system just needs support, not pressure. And when you support the nervous system early, the patience returns. The heaviness lightens, and you feel like you again. Not the reactive version of you that shows up when you're overloaded. If you want to see the simple inside-out system I use to steady my nervous system and shorten those reactive days, send me the word support, just drop that below, and I'll share it privately. No pressure, it's just a doorway if you need one. So please, if you have any questions, comments, put those below. You can privately DM. But then again, just put the word support below, and I'll reach out. I'm here for you, and we'll work this together and figure out what's going on. Again, I'm Claudette Eames, and thank you for joining me here. Hashtag replay. Yeah. So just remember, when your patience goes before your energy does, Something's happening. Take care.